Hey there everyone, thanks for stopping by the classroom. Today I want to show you the newest splice tape to hit the market in many years. It's called Double Edge Splice Tape. I'm going to show you how to use it today using the table-mounted Multi-Jig that's adjustable from 8 to 72 millimeters. The splice I'm going to show you today is for smart feeders that use metal detection or color detection. So please watch with me. We're going to start out by showing you how to cut the 8 millimeter tape with a scissor type cutter. This scissor type cutter has a block for 2 millimeter and 4 millimeter pitch. This tape is a 4 millimeter pitch tape. We put the tape in the cutter, cut, and it gives us a cut right down the center of the sprocket hole. When we put this splice onto our new jig, this is a multi-jig that can do anywhere from 8 to 72 millimeter tapes. The first 4, 8, 16, and 24 are top of the block, and then you will use the adjustable block here for anything from 32 to 72. All you need to do is put your splice with the blue part facing down and away from the pins, like so. Then you pull your protective tape off, and you start with this part first, and you align it on the pins that are coming through. And again, this part goes with like this with your cover tape down on here. You fold on the perforation on this splice. It guides you right over the top, and then you pull this piece out. Make sure it's sealed good. And as you see, we have a good tight splice. And when it goes through the feeder, it pulls the cover off of both pieces like this. Still a firm seal. When we go to our 32 millimeter tape, we're going to use a guillotine style cutter. It's set for 8 to 32 millimeter tape with 2, 4, and 8 millimeter guides. This 32 millimeter tape uses 8 millimeter pitch. So you put that tape in your cutter, cut the tape using a downward force, remove it, and again you want to work with your splice with the blue facing down, and you adjust your multi-jig to 32 millimeter. Put your tape in with the blue facing down and in the center of the jig. Remove the protective tape, and then you'll put your tape on right over the sprocket pins. It's on both sides. Put your next piece on like this. You can start this piece over and it'll start. You pull this off, and as you can see, we have the perforation on this side. This helps you to see what we've done on some of our other videos where it perfectly aligns it underneath. You just make sure both sides are seated. Take off the protective tape. When you do that, as it goes through your feeder, you'll pull the cover tape off of both sides like this. I want to thank everybody for stopping by the classroom today. Please remember that Smart Splice is the only full-service tape splicing company in the industry, and we back that claim with video meetings, webinars, and even a personal visit from yours truly, Professor Splice. All you need to do is contact me at the university or right here. Thank you.